Hey guys, I'm Sam Cambetis, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Active smartwatch in rose gold. So here I have the rose gold version of the watch. It also comes in black, silver and green. In the box you get the watch, a large strap for people with bigger wrists and the charger. The watch has a small face which is 40mm, which I think is a great size. I've found previous Samsung watches are a bit too big and bulky for my wrist. The setup for this watch is really easy. All you have to do is download the Galaxy Wear app from the Play Store and then turn the watch on, and it will prompt you with all the steps to get it set up. Once the watch is connected to your phone, you can pick your favourite watch face by holding down on the screen. If you can't find anything you like there, you can always go to the Galaxy App Store and download more. You can reply to messages on your phone with quick replies or speaking into the watch's microphone. You can't take phone calls from the watch as there is no speaker, but you can swipe to pick up or decline calls. I'm really enjoying my new watch. The only thing I wish Samsung had improved on is the battery life. I'm only getting about a day and a half if I'm using the fitness and sleep tracking. I can get almost 2 days if I'm only using it for notifications. The charging speed is pretty good. If I want to wear it to bed, I usually just put it on charge for about an hour, and that will give me enough charge for the night and the next day. I can't remember how long it takes to fully charge. I think if it was around 5%, it would probably take almost 2 hours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.